Good morning, YouTube. Today is February 3rd and I just woke up. As you can tell by the title, this is my getting ready with me for snowball, and I'm on court, and that's crazy. Like, I don't know why I'm on court, but I'm like so thankful. Aw, I'm just so happy. I don't think I'm gonna win because the other girls are really pretty and really nice, so yeah. And my best friend Hannah's on court too, which is so fun. Yeah, she also has the same name as me. Last night I got my nails done. They're gray with a little like holographic middle nail. I'm not a fan. They look okay, but I'm never going back to the place I went because they just did not do a good job. So yeah, I have a lot to do today. I need to clean because I'm having people over for pictures, and then I'm having like 10 people over after for a party. So yeah, I gotta clean my house. And then I gotta get ready. So I will talk to you then. Hey guys, so for my hair today, I think I'm gonna do a half up, half down, like whenever there's like the little ponytails up here, and then like the hair goes like ding, and then it's like curled, and then my tiara can go like here, and I think I'm gonna have my bangs out. That didn't make any sense, but that's what I'm gonna do. So here's me doing my hair in really fast motion. Like this instead of my bangs. I don't know. I don't know what looks better.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. If you can't say anything real nice, it's better.
This is my tiara. If you didn't hear me before, I'm on court, which is crazy, so all of the princesses get these, and we'll find out tonight who's queen. I hope my friend Hannah wins. Oh my god, that'd be so cool. Or me, but probably not me. So, I hope this looks fine. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to do this. Okay? Okay. Yeah, maybe I should have my bangs down. I think I like this. I need to brush out my curls too so they're not as like, I don't know, like spaghetti-ish. Like, I don't know how else to explain it. Oh my goodness, I have a tiara. Oh my god. Yeah, maybe I'll have my hair down, I think. Okay, time for makeup and a lot of glitter. Hello, I think I'm doing a purple like eyeshadow look with some like holographic glitter, which like matches my nails. So like, you know, it will match. Oh, this is my dress, by the way. This is my dress, so my makeup is obviously inspired by my dress. So it like matches, so I'm hoping this purple and some glitter, fake lashes, and then everything else very minimal. And for the lips, I'm thinking gloss. Yeah. So, let's get started, shall we? I'm gonna go in with primer. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer because I got big pores. So I have a lot going on. Like, I'm still shocked that I'm on court. Like, this is so crazy. And then in less than a week, I'm gonna be going to New York, which is so fun. And it's New York Fashion Week too, so I can't wait to see all of the cool looking outfits. I'm so excited. And then I also go to Disney twice this year, which is so cool. I really need to stop saying all the time. I really don't like my eyebrows on this side because they look completely different than this one. Like this one looks good. It has a nice little arch. It's like smooth. This one's like me. For eyes, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I got this for Christmas and it is like my favorite thing in the whole wide world. There's so many colors and they have 2 purple shades, which is perfect. And the shimmer shades in this are so good. They're like amazing. I just got this and I feel like I've used like so much of it already. Okay, so first I'm going to take this shade. I don't know what it's called, but I'm going to take that in my crease. Next, I'm going to be going in with a mixture of these 2 shades very lightly in my crease as well. I want it to be purple, but I don't want it to look like I have a black eye. Because when I tried the makeup, it looked like I had a black eye with sparkles on top of it. You don't want to go in all at once with the color because if you do, it makes it harder to blend. And what if you don't like how dark it is? You really can't go backwards unless you want to start your makeup all over again. We do not have time for that. The bad thing is my computer is about to die and the bad thing is my computer is about to die and that's the only thing that lets me see what the camera's seeing. So I might have to switch to my iPhone. If I do, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna try and film as much as I can with this camera until it dies. Okay, I'm done with the purple eyeshadow for now. And next I'm going to go in with the glitter. I was really inspired to do this video again because my other homecoming get ready with me got so many good reactions and apparently a lot of you guys liked it, so I hope you like this too. These are the kind of videos I like to watch if I'm just chilling. Yeah, so I'm really excited. Oh my goodness, I'm such in a good mood. I'm going to take this shade right here. This is one of my favorite shades out of the whole palette. It is so creamy and bright. You could probably use it as a highlighter, but I don't want to waste it. But I'm going to use this up on my brow bone and right in the inner corner. And I think I'm going to bring it up into here a little bit just to open my eye even more. Next, I'm going to go in with the NYX glitter primer. I never used a glitter primer before until I was testing out this makeup look. Oh my goodness, it makes such the difference and it makes the glitter stay. I'm not sure what the name of it is, probably just holographic. Oh, it's very pretty. Okay, yeah, so my computer died. So I added glitter to the other eye. I look kind of crazy. That's okay. Next, I have to clean up this glitter underneath my eyes, and then I'm gonna apply my falsies. Now I'm gonna apply my lashes. I'm gonna do this off camera because I tried to do it on camera before and I didn't do very well. I'm using the same ones I used for homecoming, the Salon Perfect Go Glam lashes. I really like them and they're like scattered, so your eyelashes don't look as like flat. Do you know what I mean? Like really like, instead of like this, they're like this. I'm really bad at explaining things, but I'm gonna put these on and then I'll be right back. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and then I'm gonna use the Voluminous Lash Paradise. Yeah, I kind of wanted this to be like a chit chat, get ready with me, but not much new besides like I'm on court and I never win anything, so this is like crazy for me. You know, some people are afraid of like eyelash curlers. Like I'm afraid of like being forgotten and like sharks and spiders and snakes, but like eyelash curlers, I mean, I guess that you might like poke your eye. Like I'm not even scared of eyelash curlers, and I'm literally scared of everything. I like these. I don't know why these look so strange today. Maybe once I put on mascara they'll look better, I hope. I'm not sure how I feel about this mascara. The first couple times you apply it, I don't like how it turns out. It makes your lashes very clumpy. But now, since it's like, this sounds weird, but like dried out a little bit, like I like it more. But I also didn't know it was waterproof, so it literally takes out my eyelashes in chunks. Time for foundation, and I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Outlast Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 foundation. This stuff is like the best foundation in the whole wide world. It used to be like $7, now it's like $15, and it's CoverGirl. It makes me so mad. It's so good though. And they have my skin tone, and my skin tone is really yellow, like olivey, and stores usually only carry like pink tones. So everything's really pink on me. This one is still a little bit pink on me, but it's almost a perfect match. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Yeah, did I also say we're having a lot of company over? Everyone's taking pictures at my house because my boyfriend's friends are coming over and my friends, and then my friends' friends. So they're all coming over to my house. So that's fun. And then afterwards, I'm having more friends over for like a party thingy. Just like hanging out. It'll be fun. Next is concealer. I also don't recommend this, but it's all I have now, so I'm going to use it. It's the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. I would recommend the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. That stuff is good. This is really watery, and I feel like the more watery the concealer, the less coverage. And I have really dark under eyes. I've always had them, so this doesn't really do the job very well. I don't know why I get so shy in front of the camera. Because it's literally just talking to myself, like looking at myself and talking to myself. Yeah, I'm just very awkward. Now I'm gonna set my eyes real quick with the Coty Airspun powder. This stuff is great. I've been using it forever. It really helps your makeup not crease, but don't wait too long before you powder, or else your eyes will crease before you know it. I'm gonna go on with this little like flat brush, and I'm going to take the cool bronzing shade and contour my nose.
That doesn't make sense.
So bronzer, again, I'm going to use the cool shade. I never use the warm shade unless I look sunburned, then it kind of matches. Next, I'm going to go in with blush. Now, first I'm going to use Mocha by MAC, and I'm going to make this my base blush. I really like blush. I'm going to take my big fluffy powder brush, take a little bit and apply that to my cheekbones as a base color. Now I'm using Orgasm by NARS in the little travel size. I love this blush, and yeah, all the like you know how like everyone raves about this blush? It's as good as everyone says it is. It makes you look like so happy and awake and just like full of life. I'm gonna take my smaller blush brush and apply that directly on like the top of my cheekbones and slightly blend backwards. Again, using the same palette I used in my homecoming video, which if you haven't watched, I will leave a link in the little eye thingy. But you can watch it after this video, or if you're bored, go watch it now. It's okay. I'm gonna take this shade right here on my finger. I don't know why I apply highlighter with my finger, but I do. Apply it to the tip of my nose, a little bit on the lip, and then the cheekbones. Now I have to do lips. I hate lipstick. So I'm gonna do lip gloss. I think I'm gonna apply a base of this color though. I'm gonna use this stuff from Jesse's Girl. Jesse's Girl's brand, they sell it at Rite Aid. All of their products are so good. But look at this. This is like holographic. You see that? And when it like mixes around, it's like different colors. That's so cool. On your lips, it's just gloss. But in the tube, it looks really cool. And like here, look how cool this is. As you apply it, it like changes colors. I look like a Barbie doll. Oh my god. That's crazy. I really do look like a Barbie. Well, what's next? I have these metallic tattoos. I was thinking I could have one like right here. I think right here. Or, I don't know, here. Doesn't matter where. But they look really cute, but I don't know if I want like a full wraparound one or I just want like a heart or something. But I will show you. These are all of them. There's also silver in like the same ones. I don't know what I want to do with them. I mean gold. Did I say gold or silver? I was thinking one of these, like maybe like this one on my arm. But I don't want it to be too much and I don't know how to remove it if it is too much. Or maybe this one. I kind of like that one. That one would be cute. Or there's also these ones, like if I had that one. Or even this, the whole one. Maybe I'll do that one. I kind of like that one. Oh, that looks cool. Hey, it came out all the way. Oh, yay! I like that. I'm gonna put on my dress and then I will see you right after. This is my outfit of the day. This is my outfit of the day. My tattoos are from the dollar store. My dress whoop, whoop, is from Windsor, and my shoes, they're not heels because I don't want to be taller than my date because I'm kind of tall. But my shoes are from 9 West. And yeah, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I can't wait. My friends should be coming soon. It's 4 o'clock right now. I made it ready in time and everyone should be coming around like 4:30. So I have time to take a couple pictures by myself. So here are the pictures. I don't know if I'm gonna film anything at the dance, but I might film stuff afterwards. I don't know. Here's whatever clip is next. Thank you for watching. I almost forgot my last accessory is my locket from my boyfriend. I'm gonna wear it. It looks very nice. I forgot to put it on. Okay, bye.
The video. Oh! This is for her vlog.
Yes.
Snowball 2K18.
Jake, come here.
Snowball 2K too many. Snowball, we don't want to do this anymore.
Hand Dolf Dolf.
Hand Dolf gonna be queen. Did you say hand Dolf Dolf?
Hand Dolf Dolf.
Hand. Oh God, no.
Bad things, it's a lot of bad things, and they wish and a wish. Hey, she said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got a turn on me. 81, and bring the crashes to the party. And you know me.